Hey everyone, and welcome back. As you know, I'm a person that sort of likes old school stuff and antiques and stuff, so this video is about some real old axes, especially axe heads. You see these here that sort of have these pointed edges in the socket area. They're very old. This one here is so old that it's actually starting to break down. So soak this in vinegar and it would clean up a bit, and it can be polished up with grinders and sandpaper and wet and dry sandpaper. Yeah, this here axe belongs to my dad, and I guess it probably belonged to his dad or grandfather. I don't know. It's pretty old, but this has been in the family, as long as I've known it. And I just dug it out of from where it was to. Got some handles here in preparation for some axe projects. We'll eventually clean up some of these axes. There's a couple of these axes in this kind of design that is going to be, the metal is good enough to actually restore it to a functional axe. And this one here also is in good shape and can be restored. This one, of course, no. But anyway, this one's a peculiar one. I've never seen one like this before, but it is the same sort of style. And if anybody has any information on this kind of an axe, I don't know. It just looks like it's split apart, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. It's just odd, because it does look like an axe, but maybe it's some sort of other tool that I need to do some Google searching on. Also got this old kind of a hatchet, hammer, nail puller, kind of an old tool. Like I say, I like stuff old school, antique and stuff, so why not? And then we have some newer but older axes here, obviously very old, and that would clean up very well. Get that back into good condition. You can see this one here as an odd taper, has been filed heavy on top and light on the bottom. So if you look at it, you'd have to straighten up this, cut this back, and still work, of course, but that's what happens when people file awkwardly or the wrong way. Perhaps that's probably what happened. I also have another, it looks like a nice slender splitting axe from back in the day, in pretty good condition, still with the handle in it, partial handle. It's a pretty heavy, I'd say it's about a 7-pounder. Nice splitting axe. And this sort of a old tool, a grubber of sorts. Picked up some wedges for when the time comes to actually do up a handle onto an axe. And I also have this, which is a very nicely polished axe head, and that is going to go into a nice axe handle, and try to keep it a little bit in the dry, just to keep it shining like that. It needs a little bit more sanding, and just to bring it to a better luster. It's not done yet, but it will be. And I also have this axe here, which I don't think I'm going to do much more with, but I am going to file well, put a handle in it, and use it in the woods. So I'm not going to polish up any more than what has been done now. But it's sort of a Viking axe. I think the style would be a Viking style axe, and I would assume it's probably pretty old, but there it is. So anyway, that's the video for today. Just wanted to jump on this and get this done, because like you say, it's good to have videos, so people are asking for videos, and so I try to keep videos going. In the meantime, I just enjoy the old school and the antiques, and I just like to share it with you guys and gals, in case you might be interested in watching. Anyway, that's just a brief video, let you know what's going on, and we'll catch you guys soon. Have a great day.